Sharing large videos between devices can be challenging due to size limits on apps, like WhatsApp 16 MB and Gmail 25 MB. If you need to send large videos from Android to iPhone, this guide will show you how. Part 1. Send large videos from Android to iPhone via phone transfer. No limits. Right bracket. To bypass the limitations on video size and prevent issues related to incomplete video transmission. You're advised to utilize the benchmarking tool Phone Transfer. How to guide. Begin by downloading and launching the software on your computer. Connect both your Android and iPhone to the computer using the provided USB cables as instructed. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm that both devices are recognized successfully. Next, the Android device should appear on the screen. If it does not, utilize the drop-down menu to select the appropriate source device. From the available options, choose Videos and select the clips you wish to transfer. After making your selections, click the Export to Device button to initiate the transfer. The transfer will be displayed in the taskbar, keeping you informed throughout the process. Part 2. Share large video files from Android to iPhone with Move to iOS. Place your iPhone and Android close. On your iPhone, tap Setup manually and follow the steps. Choose Move Data from Android on the Apps and Data screen. Open Move to iOS on Android, tap Continue, and enter the code shown on your iPhone. Connect to your iPhone's Wi-Fi, select Camera Roll, and tap Continue to transfer. Part 3. Send a large video from Android to iPhone using Google Drive. Open Google Drive on Android, download if needed, tap plus Upload, and select your video. On iPhone, install Google Drive and sign in. Download the uploaded video to your iPhone. Part 4. Send large videos from Android to iPhone using iTunes. Transfer videos from Android to your computer. Open iTunes, connect your iPhone, and add the videos to the iTunes library. In iTunes, select your iPhone, enable Sync Movies, and choose the videos to download. Part 5. Transfer large videos from Android to iPhone with SHAREit. Connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi. Install SHAREit on Android, tap Send, and select Videos. Install SHAREit on iPhone, tap Receive, connect, and transfer the videos.